Good morning ka-troopers! Another day, another True HN coin. Heto na naman tayo sa mga bagong kaganapan ng True HN. Sabay natin panoorin ang video na to.
Good evening. Today is a great day. This is your truly, Sir Angel Ferdinand Marcos. Today I'm making a declaration. The implementation of the monetization is now happening. We are going to implement the Nisara Gizara, the QFS, the redemption program of all the assets, and we have a new bank, which is Quantum Financial Banking System, and also we have True HN Pay, True HN Trust Bank, and also AUBRD Bank, which is Gold Depository Reserve Bank, that will be a bullion bank that will taking all these historical assets for redemption program. Now, this month, those people who believe in this True HN will get their money. We have several programs that you can exchange your True HN initially to buy a house. You can exchange your True HN gold to buy a condo, or you can exchange it with cash. But this has to come with the protocol. You have to fill up what we call application, and we also have to process your paper. You have to go through KYC, which is your compliance, and then we pay you. We need to make sure that your coin came from my wallet. This is why we're doing it. So we are implementing this month the eradication of poverty, the redemption program of all boxes and historical assets, the distribution of funds, and also the implementation of Nisara Gizara system, Quantum Financial Banking System, Quantum Financial System, and also what we call the Mine Breakthrough Successor Agreement, which is the implementation of collateral reserve program. We are going to implement that. We started in Asia, then we go to Europe, then we go to America, then we go to Africa, then we go to Middle East, those are the order that you will receive the implementation of monetization of True HN and True HN Gold. Remember, the LOI, the buyer is the seller is a buyer. For those people who claim to be the one monetizing my coin, they are mistaken. We are the one monetizing it against our underlying assets. The backup of this coin is the one we will use to monetize this coin. Nothing else. So I just want to set the record straight. We are distributing funds, and we are doing this as part of our mandate from GDPA, which is the eradication of poverty. Have a good evening for everyone, and God bless you all. Thank you.